How to share liked songs on Spotify mobile app. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily share your liked song and liked playlist on your Spotify mobile app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified so when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. So open your Spotify app and now go to your library, and once you are in your library you will see here liked songs. So if you want to share liked songs, you just tap on these three dots of the liked song and here tap on share, and you can share on WhatsApp stories, Instagram messages, Messenger feed, and etc. But if you want to share your liked song playlist, what you can do is that tap on this plus in the top right corner and here tap on playlist, and here create a new playlist and give it a name like liked songs 2 and tap on create. Now go to your liked songs and tap on these three dots and here tap on add to playlist and tap on liked songs 2. Again go to liked songs and tap on these three dots of another song and tap on add to playlist and select liked songs 2. Now go back and open liked songs 2. Here tap on these three dots and here you will get the option to share the playlist. So this is how you can share your liked songs and liked song playlist on your Spotify mobile app. Thanks for watching.